The only reason why I come out and do that video, you see? Me I pass off for you page just now. And Nardo Smith, RT boss, yeah man. Me see somebody where I talk about share your brother and share your sister and she knows say you're not gay. RT, you remember 2013 when I brought 3 women to your church? I know you remember my mother Nadine. I remember the same girl where you tell her, say, oh, the spirit tell you, say, me her husband. But at the same time, yeah, look her husband for fuck. You know, it pain my heart to know, say, on a down there. And at the same time, when you look me, you know, you look a little boy where I go, St. Andrew Technical. Khaki school, we call it school uniform, I wear same when you look the little boy. My neighbors that. So RT boss, me want you tell your sister say me say you're homosexual. Me know say you're gay. You understand? And because me no give my bottom, you know what you do? You leave all the way from Spanish Town, dada, and come all the way down a tower and come tell people say me a batty man. RT boss, if you have been raped as much as I have been raped, if you have been held up at gunpoint from 16-year-old and get raped and can't tell half of the man who fuck you know, it's not free will. I mean, I will kill myself to please nobody. Because guess what? You out here look batty. Free of your will. And when people don't give them bottom, you're upset. Nardo Smith, RT boss. A long time I tell people say I'm batty man, but nobody don't believe. So you see the truth come out? And me see him one this man. Me see him one. RT boss. Nardo Smith, Pastor Nardo Smith. And when I do my video the last time, I'm going to put it out and I talk about you. A lot of people ask me what I know about you. But me have as much can tell them say, because I look at bottom for dig down in and dig out, and I not give it. You leave all the way from Spanish Town. Come all the way down a Tower Hill. Come what? Come tell people say me a batty man because what? You feel like say me a go talk your secret. Now though, it's when you have been held at gunpoint as much as me. You see, when you have been fucked against your will as much as me, then nada, I could understand to say you're not gay. But you use your own free will, RT boss. I walk a look people bottom. Right? Because I can't hear you're a man. I mean, I don't know what kind of man you be. Because you're a big woman. You understand? And because me not give my bottom, you leave all the way from Spanish Town, come at Tower Hill. I tell people say me a batty man. When me a struggle, and you see you live a year with your woman, you gotta tell my friends say, a spirit say me and her if get married, and at the same time, yeah, look me, for fuck me. You see, me tell people, you know, it's like my life is a cycle. The same thing the best man do me. Me I get married, tell the best man say, no bottom fear what happened to me, me get raped. See, so when them call your name say you love little boys, you can't tell them say it's true. You remember Omar? The RT boss? Yeah man. You know you remember Omar man, my neighbor? Yeah man, the same little fat boy there. Yes RT boss, the same little one there you like. The same little one they used to look. Where you know say I go to school and you used to look a little boy same way. So when people say a batty man RT boss, me can't tell people say you a faggot. Cause you don't look me. Come out and say a lie me I tell. Cause me hear somebody on your live and say, oh, your sister share your sister and she can swear say her brother a batty man. Mama start swear for people. RT Boss, Nardo Smith, a batty man. And him love little boys. And just let me set this straight for some of you. When me meet RT Boss, Nardo Smith, he had nothing. Nothing. He had one house in my rent over Spanish Town. So nobody come say, and nothing me did want from the man. Because the man never even had nothing spiritual if you take from him. Because the man I look people for use. That's all him do. Go around and use people. So nobody come with them foolishness. Alright? My phone overheat, so the live got cut off. Because my phone overheat. There's a heat wave going on here in Toronto. Yeah, and me tell you the truth, depression start hit me. Yeah, I tell you the truth. After doing that little talking, start to feel depressed. So I have to come for a walk. Honestly, feel depressed because I can't believe how some people can go around and wreck other people's life. Yeah? And when people come out come talk, the wrong what them do, nobody believe. So if Spice never come out come say the man a batty man, nobody would believe. Let's see how the life go. It's sad because someone has some family member who is dying right under the nose. And of them same people I want to highlight, I depress them. And no willing to help them. No willing to continuously highlight the person who caused the problem than to help solve the problem. It's very sad. Very, very sad. Anyways, them know themselves. Them know who them be.